so it will be 0, so it will be easier. Okay, but boundary value problem will be not equal to 0, so it will be equal to something. You can see equal to something. Okay, of course, it's given lah. Okay, will be given. What is that something lah? Okay, so Poisson equation, and then if doesn't mention, that means will be Laplace equation lah. Okay, and then shown in the diagram. So this is our diagram, and then your x is 0.5. Okay, x is 0.5, the del x is 0.5, that means your del y also will be 0.5. So it'll be 0 to 1.5, so that means you can cut into 0.5, 1.0, and then 0.5. So that means you have to cut into here. So now, okay, you have to find these 2 points. The rest is given. Okay, the rest is given. So that means, okay, you will have here lah. I don't know this one, this one, this one. So oh, sorry, I move a bit because my kids are very noisy there. 我先进小房间了啊，因为那边没有。Sorry 啊，外面有啊。哦，这边。Okay, so sorry, we'll continue. So since what we see here, for this side is 0, and then this side is u equal to 3y squared. Okay, so that means now what we have, these two sides are not the same. So that means this one is no more symmetry. So you have to find these 2 points on your own. Okay, you have to find these 2 points on your own, but fortunately, you just need to plug in the value of this 4, and for this one, you need to plug in for this 4. Then you will form 2 equations, and then you can get the answer directly. Okay, so this is the equation. Okay, this is the equation, and then again, just like just now what I said, how come the 2 line? 0.5, 1.01. Yeah, correct. Eh? This one only what? This one got a bit mistake, because the del x is 0.5. So that means del y also will be 0.5. So that means only 2 lines. But they do until 3 lines. So it's 1.5 already. Okay, this one, what they do here is a bit mistake. No need to find this one, this one. Okay, you just plug in these two by using the condition 6x, then you can direct get these 2 points, and then plug in this 4 value. Okay, this one we don't know lah. Of course, this one we don't know. We know this one, this one, this one. Okay, and plug in u21, and we by using this one we form the first equation, and for this one also the same. Okay, then you will form the two equations. This solution got a bit mistake there. Okay, only need two solution, then not need two equation, and then we will get the u1. I mean these 2 points. We want to find these 2 points. Okay. So this one got a bit mistake. Why so sudden? Doesn't mention the y is from where to where. Okay lah. I assume because if follow this one is only up to 1.0, but let's say assume it's up to here lah. Should be up to here. Let's say it's a mistake of questions okay, then 6x should be this line, not this line. Okay, the blue line, not the black one. Okay, then this one will be workable. Okay, so that means you have to find 4 points. But again, in order to find this point, you will have three. You will have this 4, but this one you don't know. This one you don't know. Okay, in order to find this one, you have 4, and this one you don't know. Okay, so you are forming 4 equations. Okay, and you solve these 4 equations. Let me see what happened there. P12 and P22. Let me see. 1 minute. Oh, so sorry. I did not file that. This one is uy equal to 6x. Uy equal to 6x. That's why we need 4 points. Okay, now I know already. I'm so sorry. Okay. What you have here, my mistake. Okay, I does not show that. It's true. It's true only like here. But unfortunately, what we are given here on the boundary is uy, not u. Okay, I does not see clearly. This is uy. Uy equal to 6x. That means this one, you need another approximate. Okay, I know this one, differentiate of this one, but I don't know why a u of this one. Okay, I don't know u of this one. So I also don't want to find the u of this one. What I want is to find the u of this one, these two. Okay, but what I have is only the uy. Okay, what I have is only the uy after the differentiate. So what we do is we substitute the differentiate by using the formula here. Okay, central finite difference again. Okay, so you will have 2 points. Let's say you extend it, you will have 2 points. Okay, you will have 2 points. So you have 2 points and then substitute inside, okay, what is your x1 and so on. Okay, you will get an equation of u13 and u11. So that means you will get equation of this one and this one. Okay. And for point 22 also the same. You will get the equation of this one and this one, because what you have is this one. Differential with respect to y. So what you can do is you can found these 2 points. Okay, and these 2 points. And just now the equation of this one, substitute your uy as this one. Okay. To set, let me rearrange a bit. Okay, 1 minute. Let me finish this one. Okay, now let's see. Let's repeat again. Okay, if normal, what we do, we'll draw a line here because of 0.5, and then draw 2 lines here because of 1.5. So normally what we do is I want to find this point and this point. Then we do already. Okay, and how I find this point? I use this 4 point. And how I find this one? I use this 4 point. But now, why this equation becomes so complicated? Because I don't have this point now. Okay, I don't have this point, but now I want to, let's say I put it as 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to find the point 1. I want to find the point 1. I need point here, I need point here, I need point 2, and I need point 3. I want to find the point 2. I need the point 1, point below it, point beside it, and point 4. Okay. If normal example like before, 3 and 4, I can get it directly. But now, unfortunately, I only can get the uy. So I don't know what is the uy. Okay. So I will have two equations, and these two I don't know is what. Okay, these two I don't know is what. So that's why we extend it. Okay, because this is again the difference. I use a central finite difference. I try to get this one by using these two. I try to get this one by using these two. So that means in order to solve for these two, okay, I use another equation of here. So that's why you will see, okay, I have this table, okay. In order to find these two, okay, let's say I will set for U11 first. U11, you will get this equation, okay. This equation involve what? You can see I have U11, I have U21. These two I have, so I can substitute, and I need the U12. This is a U12, but I don't have the U12, so I put it first. So now I have three unknown. Okay, and then for U21 also the same. I need the U11. This one is 0. This one is I can calculate, and I need this one U22. So I will left U22 inside my equation. So now I have two equations. I have two equations, but I have three unknown. So that means I cannot do lah. Okay, I have three unknown, but I have two equations, so impossible to get the solution there. So what we do is we extend it. Okay, we extend it. I assume I want to find this point and this point. So in order to find this point, I need this four. And in order to find this one, I need this four. So that means now I will have four equations, third and fourth. But now you will have extra 2 point, 1 point, 2 point, which I don't know. So now I have 6 point, I don't know. But I only have four equations. So become more and more variable I cannot find. So what I do here is, since I know these 2 point, the differential of these 2 point, so I make these 2 point in terms of here by using the finite difference. So I will have another two equations. So combining 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 5, 6. So now I have six equations, and then I substitute this 5, 6 into the 1, 2. Then I will form the equations of 7. Sorry, 5, 6 substitute into the 7, 3 and 4. Then I have another two equations, and then combining the 1, 2, and 7, 8. Okay, by elimination or by calculator or by whatever. Okay, then you will get your U. Okay, any questions before I proceed again? Try to understand a bit and then proceed to the, if you cannot understand, let me know. If you can understand, try to proceed to, let me see, question 3 later. Try to proceed to question 4. Then you may see what is the problem there. Okay, now let's see. This one's still not complicated. This one is quite complicated also. Okay, so let me enlarge it. Okay, this one I show the about the problem first lah. Okay, so this is our problem there. Okay, I just agak-agak lah. Okay, I make it larger. Okay, because it is 0.5. Does it mention? No, does not mention. Okay, does not mention. I assume that delta x is delta x equal to delta y. Here, sorry, it's 0.5. So that means I should have here. Actually, first I only need like this, which is 0, 0.5, 1, and then 1.5. But now since this is ux, that means I need to take something in front, something back. Okay, so that means add another two line inside. So that means I will have negative 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, and 2.0. Okay, so that means I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally I need 6 line. Okay, in order to interpret the ux and ux here. Okay, so now I know that here, this one is u equal to 10 x squared, 10x squared minus 1. This one is u equal to 10x squared. Okay, but this one is from 0 up to 1.5. Okay, and then this one is ux equal to 0, ux equal to 3. Okay, this one, let's say is u11. This one is u12, u13, u14. Okay, so I have this one and refer back to the formula. Let me see, where is the formula again? Okay, so the formula will be this one or this one. Okay, it's depend on this is a Laplace or this is a Laplace or Poisson. So since this is a Laplace, so it'll be easier lah. Okay, uxx plus uyy equal to 0. So that means actually what should have would be this one lah. I write down u of j k minus 1 plus u of j minus 1 k, and then minus 4 ujk plus again u jk plus 1 plus again uj plus 1 and then k. But because this is a Laplace equation, so this is 0. Okay, so I have this equation. So now at P11, P11, that means I will have U10. U10, that means here lah. Okay, that means will be 10x squared lah. Okay, U11 And then U10 will be, yeah, I write down first. U10 plus U01 minus 4U11 plus U12 plus U21 equal to 0. So based on this one, okay, based on here, so U10, that means here. Okay, this one I don't know is what. Okay, it's not given, it's only given the UX. So I remain U10 plus U01. U01 is here. Okay, U01 I still can use a 10x squared. Okay, sorry, 10x squared. So the x here is 0. Okay, the x here is 0, so that means 10x squared, this one is still 0. 0, then no need to write lah. And then minus the 4U11. U11 I don't know. U12 is here, I don't know. And U21 is here. U21, I can follow this one. Okay, U21, the x is 0, so I will have -1, so -1. So that means I will have the first equation. You up to you lah. You want to write, you want to simplify it, or you just left like this. Okay, if according to the example here, okay, according to the example here, they will move to the back lah. Up to you. You want to move to the back or not lah. Okay, let's say you move to the back, then you will have U10 minus 4U11 plus U12 equal to 1. Okay, and then this one is only P11. Then how about P12? Okay, P12. So basically it's the same thing. Okay, equal to 0, and then you plug in everything. Then after that, you do also for P13 and P14. Okay, after you done this all, you will have 4 equations. First equation, second equation, third equation, and 4 equation. But unfortunately, you have 4 equations, you have 6 points, including these 2 points. You have 6 points which we don't know. Okay, 6 points which we don't know, so we need another 2 equations. What is that another 2 equation? Another 2 equation will be from here and here. So we get ux equal to 0. By using central finite, ux equal to 0, that means will be uj plus 1 k plus, is it? I can't remember the formula. Minus, sorry. So minus uj minus 1 divided by k divided by 2 equal to 0. So that means uj plus 1 k is equal to uj minus 1 k. So at the point of u11, okay, at the point of u11, so p11, so that means you will have u21 equal to u01. Oh, so sorry. This one should be point of 01, not 11. My mistake. Uh, U01. U11 equal to U negative 11. Let me think of it. And then another one is this one. This is when here equal to 3. Let's see. U2, 3. Yeah, U2, 3. Okay, I continue first, see whether I will get or not. So this one is equal to 3. So that means at P of this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me think a bit. Oh, sorry. This one is equivalent to this one. Yeah. Okay, a point U11. My mistake, my mistake. So sorry. This one should be 1. This one should be 2 and 0. Okay, because ux equal to 0 is on the x equal to 0, so it's on this point. Okay, ux equal to 3 is on the x equal to 1.5, so it's this line. So that means this one should be equal to 3. So that means at the 0.14 should be 0.14. So in other words, I substitute here, you will have u of 24 minus u of 04, 14, 14. Alamak, one, three. Wait, let me. 1, 1. This one totally wrong. My mistake. I do it again. Okay, this is U11. This is U 12. Sorry, U21. Yes. Okay, U21, U22, U23. Okay, U1, U11, U21, U21, U31, and U41. What I'm thinking. Because the x is keep moving, so it should be 31, 41. Now only correct. Okay, and then at the point of 1, 1, at the point of 1, 1, then you will have this formula. So you will see, sorry, you will have this formula. So you will see if you want to find the U11, okay, in order to find the U11, what you need? You need 1, 0. 1, 0. 1, 0 is here. You need this one. 1, 0. Sorry, this one, let me erase it first. Okay, we look at here. In order to find the U11, okay, in order to find the U11, what you need? U10. U10 is something here. And then U01, U0 is something here. And then U12, U12 is something here. And also U21, which is here. So we substitute. We only have this one as 0. The rest we don't know. Okay? The rest we don't know. So we put it as U10 still U10. U10 is here, so it's 0. Plus U01. U01 is here, we don't know. Minus 4U11. And then plus U12. U12 is here. Okay, U12 is here, so I can put in my x as 0. Okay, because my x is 0. So it will be -1. So this one will be -1. Equal to 0. Am I correct? Any? Not yet. And then plus my U21. U21 is here, I don't know. So I put U21 equal to 0. So I simplify it. I will have U01 minus 4U11 and then plus U21 equal to 1. Okay. Sorry, just now I made mistake. The central finite difference got divided by 2. Oh, sorry. This one should be times 0.5. My mistake. Sorry, I move again. 我在这里啊。Okay, so keep doing the same thing for P1, 2. Let me think, correct or not? Okay, this one is wrong. Okay, just now is P11 and then P21, P31, P41. Then you will have 4 equations. Okay, based on these 4, you will have 4 equations, but you have 6 unknown. Okay, 6 unknown. So in order to get these 6 unknown, you need another 2 equations. So another 2 equation is based on here. Okay, difference of 1 times. Okay, based on U11 and U41. Okay, U11 because it's this one is equal to 0. Okay, so that means I will have U21 is equal to U01. So from here, U21 equal to U01. Okay, I can substitute into here. U21 equal to U01. So that means I will less one variable. Okay, either I substitute U01 or U21. Okay, it's better you substitute the U01. Okay, to remove the U01 so that you only left this point, this point, this point. So you don't have the U01 and also the U51. Okay, we don't want the U01 and the U51. We only want the U11, U21, U31, U41. Okay, U0, U01 and U51 we don't want. We don't need to find. Okay, and for U51 we substitute with what? Okay, so at P, this one is P41. So at P41, so for P41 you will have P51. Okay, you will have P51 minus of U31 equal to, this one is 1, so you will get 3. So that means I eliminate my U51 because I don't need to find the U51. Will be 3 plus U31. Sorry. So by substitute these two equations, the this one, the fifth equation and the sixth equation, you substitute this one into the first one, and then you substitute this one into the last one. Then you will have only four equations with four unknown. Then automatically you can solve it. Okay, this is the basic idea. Okay, so now let's see the solution given. Okay, now let's see question 4. So again, we get this equation. Okay, we get this equation. So we will have P01, P11, P21, P31. Okay, so I don't want the, so we will have another two line in letter for the UX in order to interpret it. Okay, so you are for P01, P21, P11, P21. Okay, this one they put as P01. Let me think correct or not. Okay, never mind. It's the same thing. Okay, what they did is I take this one as the first line and then this one as a zero line. Okay, but what they did is this one as a zero line and then this one will be the negative one line, but will be the same. Okay, so they will have negative 1 0 and then this one will be 4 1. Okay, what I have is 0 1 and 5 1, but it's the same thing. Okay, just a different name. Okay, so they will have negative 1 1. Okay, so after you get the four line and by using the difference, okay, by using the difference and then you get the you get the fifth equation and sixth equation. So you substitute your fifth into the first one so that you don't have u negative 1 1 anymore. Okay, and substitute this one into the last one so that you don't have the u41 anymore. So you will have, okay, you will have the 7 and 8 and combining 2 3 2 3 7 8. Okay, 2 3 7 8, and then you use Gauss elimination or you use matrix calculator online, you can get the answer for u11, u01, u21, u31. Okay, have a look. If doesn't mention, then you always use the central finite difference for for Laplace and what again, I can't remember. For Laplace and Poisson, always use a central finite difference. Okay. If not mistaken, no formula given. But let me check it. Let me ask Mr. Chi. Comment. APG what again? 2023, is it? Let us see the past here. According to past year, there are no formula given, but I'm not sure whether it's given a formula booklet or not. I check and then let you know. If no formula booklet, that means no formula list will be given. I check with my boss and then let you know. Okay. Because this 2 year is online test, so online final assessment. So that's why we have no formula given, including the formula list or formula booklet is not given. Okay, but I'm not sure whether we are given a formula booklet before or not. I will ask and then let you know. Okay, I continue. Okay, this one you may copy down if you want, but later I will share you this one now. Have a look again. If done, you may proceed to question 5. Question 5, basically their idea is the same, okay? It's the same as question 4, but what is different is, okay, uh, yeah, okay, what we can see this one is a Poisson equation with 2x squared plus y squared, but the rest is the same actually, okay? Not that difficult, but you try to do question 5. Just try to list out the formula, okay? To solve it, later you do it. Okay, to solve the equation, I think you can solve it. Just list out the equation. Sometimes it's difficult. 什么东西？Sorry。你是说下面还是上面？下面中间那个拉格哈，OK，等我看啊，没有排骨，没有排骨，是吧？没有排骨啊。OK，放药材上面壳。有一碗。啊。好。什么？然后你刚才讲叫你弄什么？OK， 好，然后叫他弄。给他好，来。你回来才好。Done? Done the questions 5? Okay, so now we look at the questions 5. Okay, so again lah, because what we have, we check again the equation. This one is not that complicated compared to question 4, because question 5 only one side you need to extend. Okay, only one side you need to extend. The another side no need. So that means you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just now you need another 2 point. Okay, but just now is one line here. It's the same thing lah. Okay, that means you have six. That means you need six equation. But putting the P11, P21, P12, P22, you only have four equations. Okay, so you need to putting these 2 point. Okay, putting these 2 point by using the UX. Okay, in order to get the another 2 point. Okay, another two equations. So okay, for the equation 5, this one is the equation for P11. Okay, this one is the equation for P21. But when you look at the P11, okay, when you look at this one, you will have extra this point, P01. P1. Oh, sorry, this one only. This one don't have. Okay, this one don't have because now I know this one is 0, 0, so I can substitute as 0. But when you look at the at P32, P31 and P32, when you look at the P31, okay, you will have extra 1 point P41. P31, you should have a okay. Actually, you should have P41, but U41, your P41 is substituted by U2112, which is here. So they already make these two equation, okay, for these 2 point. Okay, so sorry, not these 2 point, but for these 2 point. For these 2 point, okay, they already make the equation which involve these two. So that, okay, at P31 and P32, they direct substitute already. They direct substitute by these two, okay? So that you will have six equation, and then you solve this six equation, then you will get the six variable there. Have a look and compare to the answer. Please ask if you have any questions. If everything okay, later I want to proceed to next chapter. Our class is until 3 o'clock, is it? Not necessarily must use gas elimination. If it is a 3 by 3 matrix, I don't mind, can use calculator. But if it is something like this, okay, this is a 6 by 6. 6 by 6, I don't think your calculator can do. Even you use the newest one, the latest one, only you can do until the 4 by 4. Okay, of course in exam I don't give you until the 6 by 6 lah. Okay, if in exam only up to 4 by 4, I don't mind you to use calculator, not necessary to use Gauss elimination. Okay, am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. So if okay, you can try to think of the question 3. Question 3 is a bit special. Okay. Normally won't come out in your final exam lah. Okay, but you try to think of the question 3. Oh, after 3 you have anything or not? If don't have, can I continue? Or you have, then I don't want to continue. I will do it on the replacement class. I mean 3 p.m. You have anything? Never mind, you do the question 3 first. Hmm. Okay, so now let's see. Question 3. Question 3 is a very special question, as I said. Okay, using the grid in figure 1, okay, compute the potential at the 4 interior mesh points. So that means ask us to find what is the answer for here. Okay, and then given that this one u equal to x4 here, x power 4, and then this one is 81 minus 54 y squared plus y4 on the right edge, and then this one will be the x power 4 minus 54 x squared plus 81, and then this one is x power 4, and then ask us to verify that the exact solution is this one. Okay, so this one combining few things. One thing is compute the potential. Another thing is verify this one, and then next one is determine this one. So I have 1, 2, 3. I do the second things first. Okay, I want to verify this one is correct or not. Okay, how am I going to verify? Just very simple. Okay, I have this equation on here. That means y equal to 0. So you put in y equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then you will have u equal to x4, which is this one. And then for here, okay, for this line, x equal to 0. So you put x equal to 0, x equal to 0, you get y4, which is here. Okay, y4. And then for these two, for this one and this one you put your x equal to 3. Okay, you put your x equal to 3, then you should have 81 minus 54 y squared plus y4. And for this one, you put your y equal to 3, then you should have this one. Okay, then hence we verify this is a true answer. Okay, so since I know already the true answer, now I want to get the equation because it's not mentioned. This is a Laplace equation or Poisson equation. So from here, okay, I try to do the uxx, I get this one. I try to do a uyy, I get this one. So I found that actually uxx plus uyy will be equal to 0. So I decide to use a Laplace equation. This is a bit special. They ask us to get the equation on ourselves, okay? But impossible to get the equation without any clue. So what I have is I use this clue, okay? And hence I know that I should use the equation of uxx plus uyy equal to 0, okay? And then the rest will be the same, okay? You just put in this point, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You put in this point, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You put in this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will have 4 equations, and by using this one, you have 4 variables. Directly, you can get the answer. Okay, and then determine the error is after you get this one, this one, this one, this one, put into here, and then compare. Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, so now I let you have a look on the answer. Okay, so this is question 3. Okay, if you are like me, okay, doesn't check the condition. Okay, actually, if you check the condition, you will find that actually it is a symmetry. Okay, it is a symmetry among for this side and this side. So that means actually P12 and P21 you only need to find once. Okay, but it's okay if you doesn't found it. You let's say you are like me, you doesn't found it. Never mind. You still have 4 equations. Okay, you still have 4 equations. If you found it, then you only will have 3 equations. Okay, 3 equations in order to get 3 points. Okay, but if you are like me, doesn't found that it is symmetry, never mind. You will get 4 equations by finding 4 variables. It's still okay to proceed. Just when you do the Gauss elimination, will be a bit complicated. Will be 4 by 4. Okay. So I send you the I send you the answer now, and then you have a look. Oh, okay. Mr. Chi said, we don't have, as far as he know, no formula, but not sure whether the formula booklet is given or not. Okay, ask me to ask Dr. Kok. Huh? Uh, okay, so I send you now. Where I put it? Not here. Should be in the drive. Okay, not this one. Where I put it? 1 minute. Let me think. Okay, you may have a look. Are you all okay if I proceed? Maybe for another half hour? Are you okay? Anyone having any other things after this? Cannot double tired. Okay lah, then never mind lah. Okay lah, then we'll make it on the Sunday lah. Okay, can ah? So yeah, will be online Sunday because campus is not open on the Sunday. I'm not allowed to go in lah. I'm not sure about you lah, but I'm not allowed to go in. Yes, start from 1 p.m. Oh, you want earlier? You prefer? Yes, until we finish chapter 5. You prefer to start earlier or you prefer to start 1 p.m.? Let you choose. 11 a.m. or 1 p.m.? Okay lah. If no objection, then we start from 11 a.m. lah. Okay, so this one I change to 11 a.m. lah. Hopefully we can finish earlier lah, but I see got 3 tutorial. But that one is not that difficult lah. Most of the things you learned before, so can be quite fast one. No worry. Okay. So anything, any questions for me? If no questions, then we stop here and then okay. I thought I sent already the tutorial answer. Just now I sent already. You want the every tutorial, or you just want the one tutorial? Yeah, but if you okay lah, I send to you lah, I send to you lah. But don't give it to others, just keep for your own, and this one, some of it is O1, so might a bit different from yours. This one letter. Tutorial 9 letter. Okay, I send it to you lah. 1 to 7 also I send it to you. Never mind lah, I just send it to the group. Easier. Yes? Can lah, but make sure tonight don't later than tonight okay? Yeah, before 12. So if nothing else, then that's all lah. Thank you. Welcome, Sam.